The Peugeot 3008 is a front-runner crossover with a roomy upscale interior and loads of features. The Rolling on Wheels channel contains films concerning automotive life, such as vehicle evaluations on ideal automobiles, car categorization, car organization, car accessories, car body design, and many others. We will also include vehicle owner tales, automobile tips, and automotive films from automotive professionals. The Peugeot 3008 was once a unique, curving, creative crossover hatchback, but when the first generation was replaced by the second in 2016, it changed into a conventional small SUV. In some senses, this was a mistake because it made the car less unique. Nevertheless, the decision paid off financially, enhancing the car's appeal in the UK among consumers who value the adaptability, convenience, and bolder design of these high-riding automobiles. With a new pair of plug-in hybrid versions joining the lineup alongside regular petrol and diesel alternatives, the second-generation 3008 seems ready to thrive as it enters the second half of its showroom life. Admittedly, it's a car that might appeal to value-conscious buyers at the bottom of the model range, where it can be had for less than $28,000. Still, it also has what it takes to appeal to tax-conscious company drivers in the middle and at the very top. It's one of a steadily dwindling number of cars in the class that can still be had with a frugal diesel engine if you want one. How much does the Peugeot 3008 cost? While Peugeot has utilized this revamp to add another layer to its 3008 lineups, it also has raised the Allure's starting price by $1,000 to $44,990 before on-road charges. The GT Petrol has a sticker price of $47,990, while the GT Diesel has a $3,000 increase, bringing it to $50,990. The top spec GT Sport charges the highest premium at $54,990, but includes high-end amenities like the leather option pack, including Napa leather, heated front seats, an electric driver's seat with multi-point massage, and an excellent audio system. Unfortunately, all prices do not include on-road charges. A sunroof is also available as an option on all versions except the base Allure, which costs $1,990 for a sunroof. The leather option pack on both the GT Petrol and GT Diesel costs $3,590. Metallic paint costs $690 across the 3008 model range, while premium metallic pearl paint costs $1,050. Vertigo Blue, Pearl White, and Ultimate Red are three-layer premium paints with a tinted top coat. What do you get? While Peugeot charges considerably higher rates for its new 3008, its equipment list is also rather substantial in an attempt to entice consumers away from more conventional manufacturers, even with the entry-level offering. Auto-dipping door mirrors, a hands-free tailgate, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless phone charging, satellite navigation, ambient lighting, 18-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, and daytime running lights are all standard features on the 3008 Allure. LED puddle lights, auto lights, and wipers, sequential indicators, and leather effector column fabric trim with mint contrast stitching are also included. Upgrading to the GT variants adds a sports front bumper, stainless steel scuff plates, fake twin exhaust, a diamond black roof and black mirror caps, 18-inch two-tone diamond cut alloy wheels, adaptive LED headlights, chrome trimmed pedals, black roof lining, full grain leather steering wheel, and leather effect Alcantara trim with copper top stitching. Limewood highlights of the door cards and dash facings, black pack, black and dark chrome exterior trims, Napa leather upholstery with gray top stitching, a 515-watt 10-speaker premium sound system, acoustic front windows, and 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels are all available on the GT Sport. The Peugeot 3008 will also be available in two new colors, Celebes Blue and Vertigo Blue, in addition to the existing Intense Gray, Platinum Gray, Perla Nera Black, Pearl White, and Ultimate Red. Is the Peugeot 3008 safe? The 3008 received a 5-star ANCAP safety rating in 2017 with 86% for adult occupant protection, 85% for child occupant protection, 67% for pedestrian protection, and 58% for safety assist. The current iteration of its automated emergency braking can identify pedestrians and bicycles in low-light circumstances and functions at speeds ranging from 5 to 140 kilometers per hour. 6 airbags are included, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, park assist for parallel and perpendicular parking, lane departure warning, speed sign recognition, and active blind spot monitoring. Selecting the GT Diesel or GT Sport, and stop-go with an automatic restart to the adaptive cruise control, lane positioning assist, and fog lights. Due to the wheel and tire used on this special edition, the primary allure is the only 3008 variation fitted with advanced grip control, which offers 4 distinct grip settings: normal, snow, mud, and sand. How does the Peugeot 3008 drive? Even in its more refined state of tune, the 1.6-liter turbo petrol engine will never set the world on fire. It's the least powerful of all its competitors, but it's satisfyingly snappy from low down and reasonably quiet inside the cabin. That included some time with the manual paddle shifters because the 8-speed automatic is usually in a hurry to get to the top cog. On the positive side, it has a smooth shifting gearbox that complements this engine nicely. It's also reasonably priced, with an average usage of 7.3 liters per 100 kilometers over a 120-kilometer drive in varied circumstances. Nothing has changed regarding how the French, notably Peugeot, have always known to blend suspension compliance and road holding. The 3008 provides a smooth and pleasant ride over a wide range of road surfaces. That's more potholes on Rocky B roads than we've ever seen, and yet the ride comfort was typically excellent. Even though the 3008 is only available in front-wheel drive, traction and wet weather grip were superb, primarily through areas of standing water. When you want to enjoy threading a few undulating curves together, the Peugeot's agility and tight body control, due to its comparatively light 1,371 kilogram weight, come in useful. French automobiles have never sold in large quantities in the United States. Therefore, they appeal to a different consumer searching for something different from the standard makes and models. Peugeot does better than most deliver a cutting-edge design that is better than before, an interior that looks and feels like a first-class seat on a 787 Dreamliner, plenty of room, and sporty driving characteristics. The 3008 is proof of this. If you're searching for a mid-size SUV and want to reward yourself, the 3008 should be on your list. Thank you for being here. Stay safe and healthy from your trusted companion on all things automotive. Rolling on Wheels. Subscribe now.